guy doing on my roof? I heard him in the house making noise on the roof. They're huge. Where you going? See, he's going on the roof. Let's go. Ooh, see? You hear that? They got a bird up there. Let's go see. Let's see. There you are. What are you doing up there, guy? Oh, he does. Oh my God, he's got something. He's got something big. I should have moved my phone. Whatever it is. I think it's the breast or something. I got it. Whatever it is. Hi, you. You're really big. What you got up there? Huh? Who you got up there? See me? What you got? I saw them eating that bird up there. That's what that noise was. Them tearing it apart. Let's get that bird back. Let's see up there. He sees me. Yeah, I want to see how left him. I guess that's the alpha. He's eating it all by himself, whatever it is. I'll see you up there. Don't have me eating a bird up there, please. Take it with you. Hey, take it with you. Come on, then. Take it with you. Come on, then. Wow. Okay, don't take it up. Where'd your rent go? Oh, shit, that's why somebody else is coming. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay, well, something else up there. You better come back and eat it. Just saying. Alright, guys.